Krishna. So once upon a time, the Krishna was playing with his friends in the garden, and with his friend Monkey, and the cows were gathering and grazing the grass. They were all had the fun, and then they were just walking like this. Then they saw the Radha and the Radha's two friends. They were having the too much pearls of it, and they were making the necklace of it and to the king and the queen. So the Krishna said, "Can you give me some pearls to make the necklace for my two cows?" But the Radha and two friends laughed and said, "This is not for cow. This is for king and queen. They are not giving it." The Krishna was then sad, but he said, "One day I will have the one day I will have the lots of pearls, but I will not give you. Now this time you don't give me." So Radha said, and her two friends said, "We don't need anything because we had everything that you have." So the Krishna then go from there, and he go and he tell all his friends that we have to ask her mother for giving some pearls. Then all Krishna's friends and the Krishna asked their mothers to give some pearls, but their mother said no. But they requested them, and then the mother gave them some pearls, and they come out and they started digging it and pull some pearls on it and give the water and put the ghee to it, and then Krishna's all friends sat under the tree, and the Krishna started playing the flute, and the plant started growing, and a big flower come inside of the flower. The big shiny pearl come from there. From all flowers, all pearls come from it. They gather it and tell their mother's father, and they were surprised, and they thanked their children. But then the Radha and they saw the shining of pearls, and then Radha and their two friends jealous to Krishna, and Krishna don't do anything. He lived from there, gathered the all pearls and make the big shiny necklace to their cows, and then they have a shiny nice big pearls. But the Radha and two friends have the small pearls that was not shining like normal. One day they think that we three have to ask our mother to give some pearls. We will also get a nice big shiny pearls like Krishna, but not like Krishna's pearls. Our pearls will get big and nice and shiny than Krishna pearls. Then next day they asked her mother to give some pearls, and they said that we will give a big shiny nice pearls to them. Then they come outside, and the next day they started digging like a Krishna and put some pearls on it. They put the ghee, loni, butter, and water also. But the plant started growing, but not of a pearl. It started growing like a cactus, and it have a sharp teeth. Then daily they have water and ghee like this. They put on it, and then the huge big plant grew of the cactus and with the sharp teeth. But of the three of one said of Radha and two friends, in the two friends, one friend said before to digging and this that we don't have to do. Then the pearls will not grow like the Krishna. Krishna have a trick, and his melody and they go there. But the third friend who said that don't do, she also do with them. She don't think what she said. She forget it. And then after they grew it, and then it was not a single pearl coming. They were sad now. And so how did they now say to their mother? What do they give to their mother? What the pearls give? So they have a decision like we have to ask Krishna. Then the Krishna said, but you don't give me the pearls. But the Radha and two friends said, we are sorry to you. Then the Krishna realized it and he gives some pearls to them. And they were happy and they thanked to them. And the one of this them that you are so kind. And the Krishna said, yes, I am. This was my story.